Roar, roar, I'm gonna kill you and eat you up. Roar. Oh, I'm gonna join too. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, me too. Yum, 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 yum. Hello everyone, it's me Aisha and welcome back to my channel Aim with Aisha. I love animals and I'm sure so do you. So today I'll be telling you the correct pronunciation of animal names. If you're new to my channel, please share, like and subscribe and watch till the end. So let's learn together.
So let's start with the interesting journey of the animal name pronunciations. First we're going to start with the wild animals. So number 1 is the king of the jungle, lion. Lion. It's not lion, it's lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. The next one is leopard. Leopard. Not leopard, it's leopard. L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard. They're one of my favorite animals. The next one is jackal. Jackal. J-A-C-K-A-L. Jackal. Next one is hyena. Hyena. H-Y-E-N-A. If you have watched Lion King, this should be familiar. The next one is elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. The next one is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Not rhinoceros, it's rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. The next one is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Not hippopotamus, hippopotamus. H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S. Hippopotamus. Next is kangaroo. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. The next one is tortoise. Tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. The O is silent, so it is tortoise. The next one is koala. Koala. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. Cute, right? The next one is bear. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. It's very simple. Bear. The next one is panda. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. I love pandas. They're so cute. The next one is dinosaur. Dinosaur. D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R. Dinosaur. Pretty scary, right? The next one is wolf. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Here comes the smart ones. Monkey. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. The next one is zebra. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Their black and white stripes on their body make them so unique. Next is the gazelle. Gazelle. G-A-Z-E-L-L-E. Gazelle. Next is crocodile. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. And here comes the domestic animals. First is donkey. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Mostly used to carry loads. Donkey. Next is buffalo. Buffalo. Not buffalo, it's buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. The A is silent, so it is buffalo. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe.